after high school when we first met. We make up in my Mustang to Radiohead. And on my 18th birthday we got my jeans.